Hello guys, ito pala ang
Guys, this is
homemade
the
banana
banana.
cake. Okay?
We're
Ganito
making a
lang yung
banana
paggawa
cake.
niyan. I-mash
Actually, I
lang
want to make
natin
this an
ang
ice cream
banana.
level.
Mas
I prefer to
masarap
have a
kapag
banana
medyo
cake. I like
sobrang hinog siya.
So I'm
Hindi
gonna
naman sobrang
bake it
sobrang.
without oven. We'll
Ayan,
bake it.
mash lang natin siya ng i-mash hanggang sa maduro siya. At kahit paano meron siyang bubo konti. Mas masarap yun. Very healthy. Okay? And then, just have 3 eggs. Okay, crack the 3 eggs and then this mix it. And then after that, put the flour. Usually guys, ginagamit ko na flour ay yung sa Magnolia pancake. Okay? Kasi mas kompletong ingredient din siya. So, pwede rin naman siya yung ordinary cake flour, but you have to add baking powder or yeast para mag-isa siya. Pero ito kasi complete na siya. So, I just only use the cake flour, yung pang pancake. So, ano lang natin siya, mix. Okay. Combine with the eggs. At ngayon naman guys, ay ilalagay na natin ang minash nating banana. Okay? Fresh banana syempre para healthy and yummy. Okay? Napaka-healthy po niya. Ayan. So mix well all together. Ayan. Medyo mano-mano lang ang gamit ko kasi for homemade lang naman siya. But if you want to make business na maramihan, you can use the blender, diba? So, syempre kami pag marami nakakapagod eh. But anyway, kailangan mo namang gawin yun. Tapos guys, ang susunod natin ay oh my god, some more. Ayan, another flour. Yan, kanina picture yun, kanina na finished product na nasama ko, okay. Pero ito, i-add ko na naman ulit yung half na pack na flour, okay. So, ayan na. Okay, and then add oil. So, pwede ng 3 to 4 tablespoon na oil. Okay. Kung gusto nyo naman na medyo buttery, you can use the butter. And then, para mabango siya guys, nilagyan ko ng vanilla, okay, syrup, vanilla syrup. And then, mix siya para mabango siya. Okay. Mix lang ng mix. Stir. Okay. And after that, guys, ready na siya. Meron pa siyang another ingredients. The final ingredients na ilalagay natin. So, after that, mix all together. Mix natin lahat yan. Okay. Mix well. Hanggang sa wala nang medyo makikitang powdery na flour. Okay. Yan. So, pagkatapos natin i-mix, okay. Gagamitan naman natin siya ngayon ng spatula after the mixer, okay? Please check kung okay ba ang consistency niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to add chocolate chips na mga maliliit. Okay, kung buy din ng grocery, some kind of brand, but I choose the Goya chips. Okay. Parehas lang naman sila. Okay. Medyo local nga lang itong Goya. So, nabibili yan sa grocery stores. Ayan. Mix mo na naman siya. Combine mixture. Okay. Okay, mix lang naman siya. Hanggang sa maging okay na siya. Okay. Yeah, so now we have to pour it in our baking dish. So as you can see, I'm using a Pyrex. Okay, but if you want to use you can bake in the oven. Pwede rin yan kasi pang bake din yan sa oven. Or you can use the tin, yung lata. So, na pancake talaga. Okay. Ayan. Binuhos ko lang siya dyan sa another Pyrex. Okay. Actually, gonna use this one na po. Kasi lalagay
You
ko
can add
naman
some
siya
more
sa
chocolate.
steamer. Okay? So, kaya ko sinabi siya na no bake banana cake kasi hindi mo siya i-bake sa oven. Okay, yung final chocolate chips. Okay. Yan. Ganyan ko. Okay. So, yan lang. Mag-share ko sa inyo. Yan. Make sure that you have to layer all these
Yan,
chocolate
mga
chips.
perks.
Okay, and then what we can do is put it in the steamer. Okay, ayan na. So, pinakulong ko siya almost 1 hour. Ayan. So, malambot pa siya yung ilalim. If malambot pa siya, you can just continue pakulo. So, lagyan nyo lang ng tubig yung steamer at cover mo lang siya ng aluminum foil. And then, kung may cardboard ka,
Natin ang fish product.
para hindi siya ma-moisture.
O, diba?
Ayan, yun na siya, guys. Makikita nyo naman. Finished product, diba? So, I'm gonna taste it. Kids gonna taste it. So, I have to slice for one for me and for my kids. Okay? Ayan. Yan, guys. Sobrang sarap niya. At banana cake is my favorite.
So
Especially
yummy.
yung chocolate chips. Anyway,
Chocolate.
ayan, diba? Homemade cake is the best and very safe. So, but if you buy it in outside or, it's so expensive kasi yung mga ingredients niya, very expensive. So, yan ang ating kiddos. And she likes it. Nahiya pa siya. And me as well. So, thank you very much for watching my video. So, just click the subscribe and follow me for my vlog. Okay, bye. God bless everyone. Have a nice cake. Bye.